We'll guide you through how to set up Calendly Zoom integration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and click on the Integrations tab. Here, you'll find a list of available integrations. Scroll down until you see the Zoom option, then click on it. You'll be directed to a page where you can connect your Zoom account. Click on Connect Zoom. This will take you to a Zoom login page. Enter your Zoom credentials and authorize Calendly to access your Zoom account. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Calendly and you'll see a confirmation that Zoom is now connected. Next, you need to assign Zoom to your event types. Go to your event types page, select the event you want to integrate, and click Edit. In the event details, navigate to the location section. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Zoom. This will ensure that whenever someone schedules this event with you, a Zoom meeting link is automatically generated and included in the event details. Remember, if you're using multiple Zoom accounts, make sure you've connected the correct one to avoid any confusion. One last tip, check your email notifications in Calendly to ensure they're set up to send the Zoom link to your invitees. This way, everyone will have the necessary details to join the meeting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.